Okay. This is top touring intermediate A main second hit. Drivers ready. Marshals ready. Please wait for the tone.
Pero dito, ang mag-train kayo, training is cornering. Okay lang yun. Kami may mark sa solo ng natin.
Neymar, kinabangga ka ni Carl. Sinisira yung kotse mo, leading kayo, Neymar Bernal, number 1. Kaso ano pa, 10 hours pa, yung karema. Siguro yung Romy, seryoso, kasi nandun yung best friend na sa harap yung black and orange. Doon ko sa'yo, Kuya Romy, alam mo na. Bigyan mo ng isang the moves yan. Kitang-kita. Paliko, pero dumiretso. Pakatuli naman ni Raymar. That's number 1. Sige Raymar, continue lang, continue. Pag kaya may breaking mo. Go. Raymar, huwag kang magigil, Raymar. Huwag kang magigil, huwag kang magigil. Sabi ko sa'yo, huwag kang magigil. Relax lang, relax, relax. Linya, linya. So, it's Carl, Raymar, Jay, Wally, and Romy. Yung Romy, nasa likod pa rin, no? White and... Ano ba? Ano wala naman ba?
Sila.
Raymar, huwag kang magigil, Raymar. Ayan na, nakabertigan ka na ni Jay. Relax lang. Raymar.
Nanood kasi kayo eh. Panalo na isip. Tingnan mo. Totang in the first place na siya. Ayun, si Kuya Carl. Yung orange and white NSX.
Sila.
2 minutes left. Marami pang time. Siguro mga 12 laps pa, 12 laps. Yan, Raymar, nasa harap mo yan ang kulang ka pa. Down na isang lap pala.
MB, huwag ka ma-pressure. Nandito kami nakakanood. Nandito kami lahat nanonood sa'yo. Pag nakapag-end na yun.
Nila.
25 seconds to go. 25 seconds. Up next is Rookie. Get ready, Rookie drivers. You're up next. Rookie drivers, get ready. Finish your lap, get ready. Finish your lap. Okay, everybody's finished. Stop touring intermediate AMA number 2. First is Carl, second Jay, third Raymar, fourth Wally, and fifth Romy.